keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
Hello, Southern Colorado, and welcome to a very special episode of 11 Connects. I'm your host, Ryan Nelson, and from the Platinum Group, we have the queen of real estate here in Southern Colorado, Marquesa Hobbs. How are you today?
I'm great. Thank you all for coming out and joining me at this listing.
Oh, we're super excited because this is the nicest house I have ever seen here in Southern Colorado. Where are we exactly?
So we are in the exclusive gated community of High Forest Ranch, and this particular house is just so unique. It's about 10,000 square feet. It sits right on the community pond, has amazing views. There's 3 levels. Each level has its own office, its own laundry room. There's 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and one of the most exciting features is there is a saltwater pool.
Wow, I can't wait to check out all of that. But today we're talking about people who are interested in selling their homes and what they should do to prepare to do that.
Yeah, that's a great question. So if you're thinking of selling your home, there are some things you want to do that's going to make it more pleasant for you to live in it as well. And one of those things is just start decluttering. You know you're moving, start donating, giving away, selling your items. So let's start preparing, and less is always best. One thing I really like to talk about right now, and you'll see it in this home, is paint. People underestimate the power of paint. And this home, when I first met with the seller, it's a very Tuscan home. It's beautiful. It looks like a castle. And so it was kind of yellowy, and it was beautiful. What we did was we painted it this really beautiful white. And what that did is it really allows the features to pop. So instead of noticing the yellow paint, now we notice the beautiful stone and the wood and the metal and the beautiful windows that look outside. So paint also just gives you a nice neutral canvas, and it makes it feel more actually updated for that buyer too. So paint, also less expensive than most people feel, and it goes a long way.
Okay, that's great. That's great forward thinking. I would have never thought of that. You know, repainting my home before I get ready to sell it. Great point. Is there anything else we should know?
Oh gosh, there's so many things. I have a whole list I'd like to share with people, but it's even things like going through, looking at your light fixtures, updating some of them, checking your light bulbs. You want to have new light bulbs, both for photos and when people get in the home. A nice warm LED is great, throws good light. Baseboards, touch-up cleaning, checking out carbon monoxide alarms and smoke detectors, because those are going to be checked during a home inspection. And it's also very annoying if you're seeing a home, if you're viewing a home, and that chirping is going off because a battery needs fixed. So some of this is really easy. We can even get into things like looking on your roof, cleaning out your gutters. What we're really trying to do is show buyers that you've really maintained your home well and are on top of maintenance issues.
In addition to all of the wonderful things you just said, is there anything that we should maintain while we're actually in the house?
Absolutely. So important to really pay attention to your home, especially water, anything with water. So walk around your home, look for leaks. I know some tools and some tricks to help find them, but you want to have any leaks taken care of immediately. Don't wait till you're selling. And then of course look for things like peeling paint, wood rot. All of those things, again, you should do whether or not you're selling, but if you're planning on selling, get ahead of it, take care of it, don't make it be an issue.
Okay. For sellers that are interested in selling their home, and of course they're watching this and they're thinking about you, how can they get in contact with you?
So I believe all my information is right here,
Yes.
and I work with people in all different price ranges.
Okay, so not just big homes like this.
Correct.
There's also some.
Absolutely,
Okay.
and everybody in between.
Okay, so if you're thinking about selling your home or buying your home, the Platinum Group is the place to be. Thank you so much for your time. We really do appreciate you.
Thank you.